Good morning, students. In last class, I've already started with the chapter algebraic expressions. In this class, I'll be continuing with the same thing. And let us recall before going to the new topic. That is, you have learned what is algebraic expressions, what are constants, what are variables, what are terms, and what is monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, what are like terms, unlike terms. So you all know what are algebraic expression, what is algebraic expression, is it not? So you know all the basic things you have to know. And then I have already started with addition. Let me do some problems based on that addition so you will understand better. Okay, students? So your first problem will be at what all I have solved in the class while giving the recording. Please take down that thing in your notes also. Copy all those sums in the notes also. And your notes, whatever it's in your exercise, no, I'll be giving it in the PDF form. You can copy that thing. Okay, that thing also it should be copied in your notes. Add 5x square y minus 7x square y and 9x square y. See here, first what you have to see, whether all the terms are having the same variables. That is the thing are under like terms. Like terms means which is having the same variables. Understood? See, 5x square y and both are having positive sign here. So to make it easy, you add these things both, because first remember these things, plus into plus is equal to plus, minus into minus is equal to plus, plus into minus is equal to minus, minus into plus is equal to again minus. Okay, now what you want to do here, both are having positive signs, is it not? So write the like term x square y like that, only variables, and then 9 plus 5, it is 14, is it not? So now 14x square y, that will be again positive, plus plus, it is plus. You have to add the thing and put the greater number sign. You are adding the thing and putting the greater number sign, that is plus only while doing addition. Okay, and then minus 7x square y. Now x square y variable you write like that only, and then 14 minus 7, it is 7. Why you are subtracting here? One is plus sign, another one is minus sign. You have to subtract and put the greater number sign. Here 14 is greater number, so you have to put plus sign. So your answer will be plus 7x square y. Or else you can directly do like this only and write the answer. Why I'm doing like this is to make you understand better, so that there will be no complication. You can do it easier. Okay, because both are having positive signs, you add those things, and one is positive and one is negative. By that answer you just subtract the thing. Okay, understood, student? Now coming to the next problem. 8xy plus 4yz minus 7zx, comma 6yz plus let me write it down here. 6yz plus 11zx minus 6y. See, these are not under like terms to add or subtract like that only, is it not? You have to write all the terms, like terms under likes, and okay, like that you have to write. See, 8xy. Any xy terms are here? No. Write it as it is, 8xy. Next, plus 4yz. Copy that thing. Next, 6yz. Under yz's term, that is plus 6yz. Write down. And then next, plus 11zx. Write down plus 11zx under zx term. And minus 6y. Minus 6y. Write down. And then here no term is there. If no term is there, just write 0 here. And then here also no term is there. So write 0 there. Here minus 6y. Okay. And then write zx. And here plus and one is minus. What you want to do here? That is, one is plus and one is minus. Put greater number sign, that is plus, and 1 plus 1 minus is there. You have to subtract. So 7, that is 3. Okay, you have another one thing here. Here you have to just subtract and put the greater number sign. Yes, correct, it is. So here, and then here what you have to do, both are having positive sign. So yz, write the variables like that only, yz. So both are having plus. So you have to add the thing, that is 10yz. Okay, here 8xy is there, here 0 is there. Write 8xy as it is. And then here you have to add another term. Yz. Okay, now the thing is, another one in the question, minus 5xz plus 6x minus 2yx, minus 2yx. Now what you have to do, under this thing you got the answer for this two. Okay, after adding these two things you got this answer. Next, write all the like terms under this, that is 5 minus 5xz minus 5xz. Zx and xz are one and the same. So write under minus 5zx. Okay, see, zx is equal to xz. Okay, you can write under xz also. Okay, next, plus 6x. This is different term. Write separately plus 6x. Okay, and then minus 2yx. Yx and xy. Yx is equal to xy. Okay. Now write under that, that is minus 2xy. Now here no yz term is here, is it not? In this yz term is not there. Put 0. And then no y term separately is given. So put 0. Okay. Here also no x term is there in the first expression. So you have to write it like this. And then plus 6x, write it as it is. And minus 6y. And zx, write the variable like that only. And one plus is there, one minus is there. So greater number sign is minus. Write down minus and subtract the thing. That is 5 minus 4. You will get minus 1z x. Next, here there is only single term, no other term to add or subtract. So write down plus 10yz. Here 8 minus 2. 6xy, and then the greater number sign is plus. So your answer is plus 6xy plus 10yz minus 1zx minus 6y plus 6x. I hope you all understood this sum. That is, here three expressions they have given. This is first expression, second expression, third expression. You can do it directly by applying all the like terms aside. Okay, you can do it under all the like terms aside. You can put and you can solve the problem. But if any confusion is there, to make you understand better, first these two expression I have solved. I got the result, this thing. By that expression I solved, I added this thing there and I have got this result. Understood? Like this I have solved. Okay, next we'll go to the next problem. Okay, in last class, I have taught you AB minus BC, BC minus CA, CA minus AB, and we'll go to the next problem. A minus B plus AB, comma, B minus C plus BC, comma, C minus A plus AC. See, this is one expression, this is one expression, this is one expression. Here three expressions are given. So take first two expression, or else like that you solve. I solved in last earlier problem, but here let us solve all the problem. You can solve like this also, all the expression at a time. See, write B under B minus A minus B. Okay, here B minus C. Okay, minus C. Next plus BC. Okay, so you have to write here 0 where there is no terms. Okay, next write plus C plus C. Next minus A. Under A only you have to write minus A, and here plus AC. There is no AC term or BC terms here. So I hope you all are understanding it, students. Okay. Wherever under like terms only you have to put. If there is no like terms, write it separately and write down 0 where the terms are missing. Okay. Now A under A, B under B, AB single term, BC single, AC single, and C under C. Understood? Now you can easily solve this. That is plus AC plus BC plus C minus C get cancelled 0, plus AB plus B minus B get cancelled 0, minus A plus A 0. So you got the result as AB plus BC plus CA. Understood? Have you got this? The thing, while adding or while subtracting it, you have to write all the like terms one by one, one below one, and you have to solve the problems. Okay, like this also you can solve, or else first two expression you can solve, and by that result you can solve another expression. Understood? Like that also you can solve. Okay. Okay, next problem. L square plus M square, comma, m square plus n square, comma, n square plus l square, comma, 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. So what you have to do here, write down the first term, that is L square plus M square, and second term, that is M square plus N square. Next, N square plus L square. Next, last term, that is 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NL. So here, there are no terms. Here you have to write it 0. Okay. Better you don't write this thing. You can write it later. You can add those things separately because no other terms are there with these expressions. Okay. Now finally you can write it as 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NL, okay, and then here plus, okay, here L square term is there, right under L square term. Okay, L square term. So what is given here? Plus, both are having positive sign. So here your answer will be plus 2n square, is it not? And then both are having positive here also. So it is plus m square, and here, sorry, plus 2m square, and here plus 2l square. So you got here plus 2l square plus 2m square plus 2n square. Is it not? Now what you have to do? In both the expression, what is common here? This will be your final answer. Okay. This will be your final answer. Your question is 1, 2, 3, 4 expressions are given here. So you have to write it separately, all the things, and you have to add the things finally. And here 2l square, if you add these things, you will get 2l square, 2m square plus 2n square, and there is no terms for this thing, so write it separately. 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl, add the things. So what are the common things written in this, both the thing, that is 2. Okay, take out 2. So it is L square plus m square plus n square plus lm plus mn plus nl. Okay, this will be your final result. This is what you do, the addition under algebraic expression. If you know the signs properly and if you apply the terms correctly, that is all the under like terms, then you can do the problem better. Okay, there will be no mistake in your problem while solving the problem. Understood? Now you will learn the new topic, that is subtraction. How to do subtraction under algebraic expression. Now, subtraction. How will you subtract the things? See, same like this only. Your question will be 2x cube minus x square plus 4x minus 6 from x cube plus 5x square minus 4x plus 6. So this will be your question. How to solve this thing? Here, in addition, you were just, whether it might be 3 expressions or 4 expressions, you were solving the things. Is it not? But here they have given from here. So from is this thing you have to write down first. That is x cube plus 5x square minus 4x plus 6. Understood? And then again you have to write these things under like terms. 2x cube and then minus x square minus x square plus 4x and then minus 6. And the very important thing in subtraction is you have to notice whether it is a subtraction or addition. In addition, you are not changing the signs, but in subtraction, you have to change the signs. That is, here you have to see this thing, last expression, what you have written under like term. That is, if negative term is there, you have to put positive sign. And then if positive is there, you have to put negative sign. So here minus is there, put plus. Here plus is there. If no sign is there, it is understood it's a positive. So you have to put negative. Understood? Now, plus 6, it will be plus 12. Is it not? You have to see or you have to add or subtract with this signs. Okay, not with this signs. Under subtraction. This here plus 6 and this will also become plus 6. Plus 6 plus 6. Plus it becomes plus. That is, you have to add and put the greater number sign. So you are adding both are 6 here, no lesser or greater. So you are adding and putting the plus sign. And here minus. So put minus sign. 4x. Both are having more minus. You have to add the things. So 8x. Understood? And greater number sign, no greater number here. So you are putting minus here. And then plus 5 and plus x square. That is plus 6x square. Why? Because plus both are positive signs. You have to add and put the greater number sign. Understood? 5 is greater here. You are putting the positive sign. And x cube. Here one is plus and another one is minus. So x minus 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. It will be 1. The greater number sign is minus. Is it not? Minus 2x cube is greater than plus x cube. Is it not? Here no value is there next to variable. It is understood. It is 1. Understood? So 2 minus 1, it is 1. So your answer is minus x cube plus 6x square minus 8x plus 12. Understood, students, how to subtract? There, no need to write from that thing and all. Any expression you can add the terms, add the expressions. But here, from they have given, from which expression they have given, after from, that only you have to take and you have to subtract the thing. And the main thing you should not forget in under subtraction, that is, you have to change the signs. If it is positive, you have to change it to negative. If it is negative, you have to change it to positive. Understood, students? Like this you have to solve. You will understand better. Let me teach you another few problems based on subtraction. Okay. Minus 2xy plus 3xy square from 8xy. Here only one term is given, here two terms are given. Is it not? So 8xy, write down first 8xy in the first expression. And second expression, it is given as minus 2xy plus 3xy square. If no term is there, so you have to put it 0. Understood? Next, under subtraction, the main thing what you have to do, you have to change the positive to negative, negative to positive. So here it is minus 3xy square. And here xy, write the variable like that only. So here plus 2, 8 plus 2. Here, both are positive sign. So it is plus 10. Plus 10xy minus 3xy square. Understood? You have to solve it like this. I hope you all are understanding it. Next problem, that is a minus b minus 2c from 4a plus 6b minus 2c. So what they have given here? 4a. Write that expression 4a plus 6b minus 2c. Okay. Now write down next expression under like terms, a minus b minus 2c. Now change the signs, minus to plus, plus to minus. Okay, here positive to negative, negative to positive, negative to positive. So now with this thing, minus 2c plus 2c get cancelled, so it is 0. And plus 6b plus b plus 7b. Okay. Next, a 4 minus 1. Minus 1 is there. So it is plus, greater number sign is plus. Write down plus here. 4 minus 1, that is 1a plus 7b. Sorry, 3a. 4 minus 1, it is 3. 3a plus 7b plus 0. C. Write down even the variable also. Mention the variable also. 0c, or else 3a plus 7b plus 0c. You can write it like this. Understood? Rest all problems I'll be given in the PDF. Okay. Thank you, students.